Very good evening. My name is Senthil. I am the managing director of Space Sense, an interior design and architectural firm based in Chennai. And we have won the award as the most promising professional design company in Chennai this evening, and we're very happy about that.
So I'll ask you a few questions if you permit. Okay. So an organization that wins an award is surely to have a motivated and inspired team behind it. Would you like to share the mantra of your established credibility with your team members?
Definitely. Yes, this is not a one man's journey into what we have done today. What we have achieved today is not a one man's journey, but it definitely was a one man's dream. There are so many people who work hard, and it's only appropriate if I could recognize them and then appreciate them. So it's been a way wherein it's been a very tough travel, but yes, so many people, very hardworking people, very enterprising people, everybody very young, and then everybody had the dream and they wanted to nurture it and then bring about that. We just picked out people and then just helped them nurture their dream and then realize their dream, and that's what brought us here today. So very simple.
So what is the newest and the freshest approach you are bringing to your business?
Quite a lot, especially we being in the creative industry, we'll have to be innovative, and then out of the box thinking really helps us. Innovativeness is something wherein when we talk about design, there has to be some niche, as like Prahlad Kakar said, 2 + 2 is 4. It doesn't mean 2 and 2 is 4 is a tried and tested formula. So 2 and 2 has to be 22. So we have to bring something to the plate wherein we can survive. When we talk about design, so there are so many aspects in which we think about and then go about achieving innovativeness on a daily basis, and that's what really clicked us. For example, we believe in a concept of 3 R's, wherein we reduce, recycle and reuse. Try and reduce the carbon footprint on every aspect of design, work more on green buildings and green design, and so many other aspects which we think about making everyday usage of space a little bit more functional and then convenient.
So where do you see your organization 5 years from now? How do you visualize its growth?
Honestly, I don't know. We had a dream and then we started, but we never realized that we would come up so much and then achieve so much in so less time. So having done that, I will have to have some focus and then see how things goes on from now, and hopefully we have about 30 to 35 employees with us right now, and then we are doing a pan-India operation when it comes to design. Hopefully, God willing, if everything goes well, we are planning to tie up with a few companies in Eastern Europe and in Southeast Asia as well, wherein we bring in expertise of design into them, try and use mixed-use design, and probably take the design quotient and then up the ante in India, especially South India.
So is there anyone you look up to your field? Is there any inspiration that you look up to?
In my field or in general?
Generally, or your field?
There are so many people whom we look up to, especially my father has been one of the greatest inspiration, unfortunately not with us anymore. So many people whom we meet on a daily basis inspire me. They never say die attitude, striving towards excellence, striving towards success. And especially when it comes to my field, there are so many pioneers, so many architects, so many designers who even after achieving so many things, so much in life, still every day morning they get up with something, like a thirst to succeed. Seeing them really inspires me, and then what we have done is nothing when compared to that. There are so many people who inspire me on a daily basis.
So is there any message you would like to convey to your audience or competitors?
Work hard, live and let live.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.